Hey guys, today I will show you quick ways to disable or turn off the Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. If you don't use it or it keeps running in the background, this video will help you to get rid of it completely. Before proceeding, make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK and let's get started. First, let's stop the game bar if it's running in the background. Go to your taskbar and open Task Manager. In the list, let's go ahead and search for Game Bar. Here I will find the Game Bar. Right click on it and click on End Task. This stops the game bar immediately without removing it. This is the quick and temporary fix. Now let's say we want to remove game bar completely from our computer. There is a simple and quick command. Just go to your search bar and open PowerShell or run as administrator. In the PowerShell, just go ahead and paste the command mentioned in my video description. This command removes game bar entirely from your PC. After running this command, game bar won't run or open in the background anymore. And that's it. By ending the task in Task Manager or uninstalling it via PowerShell, you have successfully turned off and disabled Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thanks for watching ITPK and I will see you in the next one.